Hey, hi everyone. Hope all are doing fine in this pandemic. As we all know about the recent plane crash in Kerala, let's pray for the people who have lost their lives in this crash. Is that airport really dangerous? Yes, because it's a tabletop airport and only the experienced pilots can land safely on that airport. So today in this video, we'll be showing you top dangerous airports in the world.
Do you know about Corchivali Airport? Corchivali Airport in France. This airport is known for one of the shortest runway in the world with just 537 meters. The airport is for people who want to ski in the Alps and hence is located amidst mountains. In addition to navigating these mountains, pilots also need to land the plane at sharp angle for the aircraft to slow down.
The Lukla Airport in Nepal was renamed as Tenzing Hillary Airport in January 2008 in honor of the first two people to conquer the Mount Everest. People visiting Mount Everest usually use this Nepalese airport. The airport has been rated as the most dangerous airport in the world for over 20 years in a row. The airport is at an altitude of 8,000 feet, that is 2,438 meters. The landing and takeoff strips are very short and the airport has very less electricity with virtually no modern air traffic control features. Said to be the highest airport due to its location near the Mount Everest base camp, Lukla Airport definitely ranks second.
Agati Aerodrome Lakshadweep. It is located in Union Territory of Lakshadweep in the southern end of it is the sole airport in Lakshadweep serving 36 local Indian tourist island of which Agati Aerodrome is the strip of land present in blue waters. The strip of land is just 4,000 feet long, making it at risky.
Barra International Airport, also known as Barra Ilaguri International Airport, is situated in Scotland at the northernmost tip of Barra Islands by the Bay of Tregmore. With a short runway, this uniquely dangerous airport also uses the beach as its runway and is undoubtedly the only airport in the world to do so.
Toncontín International Airport TGU, Honduras. Toncontín International Airport, also known as Teniente Coronel Hernán Acosta Mejia Airport, is 6 kilometers from the center of Tegucigalpa, Honduras. The airport is a civil and a military airport. This dangerous airport was added to History Channel's list of most dangerous airports in the show Most Extreme Airports.
Medema Airport, Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo International Airport in honor of the legendary football player born on this island. Relatively a small sized runway. This area was built to meet common needs by using pillars. The runway was once famous for its small size, but over the years it has been expanding. And in the year 2000, the runway was of 2,781 meters, 9,124 feet, almost doubling the size of the original runway. The harsh weather condition on the island makes plane operations of landing and takeoff very dangerous.
Kansai International Airport, Japan. This airport is built on an artificial island since the land is scarce and overpriced in the country. Kansai has proved to be an ideal solution to relieve the overcrowding at the Osaka International Airport. Kansai Artificial Island, which is 4 kilometers in length and 2.5 kilometers wide, exposes the airport to various hazards like earthquakes and cyclones. But this is not the only problem. It is said that 4 to 5 decades from now, the sea levels are expected to rise due to global warming, which would further cause the airport to submerge in the ocean waters.
Kai Tak was the international airport of Hong Kong until 1998, after which it was closed and replaced by the Hong Kong International Airport. It is one of the scariest airports with perilous landings and takeoffs due to the criss-cross winds blowing constantly. The fact that the airport is surrounded by a hilly region makes it even scarier and also a deserving spot in the list of most dangerous airport in the world.
Serving the city of Sao Paulo in Brazil is the Congonhas Airport, sometimes referred to as the Sao Paulo Airport. This airport is the second busiest airport in Brazil. What makes this airport so dangerous is the slippery runways that has caused several accidents. However, new runways are being built with grooves to collect excess rainwater.
Wellington International Airport is located in the suburb of Rongotai in Wellington and the capital city of New Zealand. It was formerly known as Rongotai Airport. Situated in 5.5 kilometers southeast of the city centre, the runway of the Wellington is only 6,351 feet. Its pathway seems to start and end in water body. The pilot needs to be very precise while landing and taking off to avoid surrounding water bodies.
So you got to know about few dangerous airports in the world. Soon we'll meet you with some other videos with some strange facts. Before that, watch this too.
Think positive, don't test positive. For your safety, wear your mask, stay safe, save lives.